So CTF competitions are essentially, they will test your skills in offensive cybersecurity. So you'll essentially be given little bite-sized challenges where you say you download some files or connect to a web server and you have some task that needs to be completed, usually some kind of exploitation. So, you'll have a selection of challenges across various categories: web exploitation, reverse engineering, cryptography, and in most competitions you basically get to pick which one to work on at any given time. This competition especially is very short, it was only 3 hours, so there's a big push to learn things quickly, but you also have to learn them well enough to actually carry out the steps you need to do to complete the challenge.
For our team in particular, our big strategy was just kind of each person focusing on the challenges that they're most familiar with, between binary exploitation or web stuff, RE, forensics, outside of just targeting each other's specialties. We do a lot of CTF challenges just outside of these type of events on different websites and small little pop-up things that show up, kind of hone our skills, get better at that.
We stayed the night before in a hotel in Grand Forks, and leading up to the competition was the first day of the conference we were at, so we got to see the presentations, and that's a good opportunity as well because you get to hear from big names in cybersecurity. We had people from Deloitte, Microsoft, Amazon talking about cybersecurity. We got to participate in some AWS training, specifically IoT and AI applications. So these competitions often allow you other opportunities. If they happen during a conference, you usually get to go to the conference as well.
I think it went quite well. I saw quite a few challenges, especially at the beginning. We kind of knocked a few of web challenges at the beginning. It was really nice. A lot of them were fun to work on. And it was so some of them I couldn't get to it quite at the end, but I enjoyed doing it.
If you're ever scared to start doing competitions, the best place to start is just anywhere, because most of these competitions are free. There's very little expectation to do well, so you just got to start somewhere. You can't get anywhere if you don't start.